Imagine this, your car suddenly breaks down, you lose your job, or an unexpected medical bill lands in your inbox. Now ask yourself, could you pay for it today without borrowing money or using a credit card? If the answer is no, you're not alone. Millions of people live paycheck to paycheck, and one unexpected expense can throw their finances into chaos. But here's the good news. In just 6 months, you can build a financial safety net that protects you from life's biggest surprises. I'll show you exactly how to build an emergency fund in 6 months, even if you're starting from zero. Let's dive in. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. It's not for vacations, it's not for shopping, it's definitely not for buying the latest smartphone. An emergency fund is only for real emergencies, like losing your job, medical emergencies, major car repairs, urgent home repairs, unexpected family emergencies. Think of it as your financial airbag. You hope you never need it, but when life hits unexpectedly, you'll be glad it's there. Why is an emergency fund so important? Without an emergency fund, most people rely on credit cards, personal loans, borrowing from friends or family. That turns one problem into two. Now you're dealing with the emergency and debt. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind, financial security, freedom to make better decisions. You'll know you have money ready when life throws you a curveball. Step 1. Set your goal. The first step is deciding how much you need. If you're just getting started, don't worry about saving a year's salary. Aim for 1 month of essential expenses first. For example, monthly essentials include rent or mortgage, groceries, utility, insurance, transportation. Let's say these total 30,000 Rp per month. Your first emergency fund goal should be 30,000. Once you reach that, you can continue building toward expenses. Step 2. Break it into monthly targets. Small goals feel achievable. If your target is $30,000 in 6 months, 30,006 equals $5,000 per month. When you look at it this way, saving becomes much less intimidating. Step 3. Find extra money to save. Now comes the important question. Where will the money come from? Start by tracking every expense for 1 month. You'll probably discover money disappearing on things like food delivery, online shopping, daily coffee. You don't saving unnecessary spending. Even saving $100 to $200 a day can make a huge difference over 6 months. Step 4. Keep it in the right place. Your emergency fund should be easy to access, safe, and separate from your everyday spending account. Many people use a high-interest savings account, a high-interest savings account, a separate bank account, or a liquid mutual fund if appropriate for their situation. Avoid investing emergency money in stocks or cryptocurrencies. The goal isn't high returns. The goal is having cash available when you need it. Step 5. Automate your savings. Here's a simple trick for everyone. Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer every payday. If you never see the money in your spending account, you're much less likely to spend it. Automation removes emotion from saving. Let's talk about the mistakes people often make. Using the emergency fund for vacations or shopping. Remember, convenience is not an emergency. Mistake 2. Trying to invest emergency money. Your emergency fund is insurance, not an investment. Safety comes first. Mistake 3. Giving up after 1 missed month. Life happens. If you miss a month, simply restart the next one. Consistency beats perfection. Here's a simple 6-month example. Month 1, $500. Month 2, Month 3, $1,500. Month 4, $2,000. Month 5, Month 6, $3,000. By the end of 6 months, you've created a financial cushion that can help you handle many unexpected expenses without going into debt. Building an emergency fund won't make headlines, it won't go viral, and it won't make you rich. But it is valuable. It will give you confidence. Confidence that you're prepared. Confidence that one unexpected expense won't derail your financial future. Start small. Stay consistent. And remember, every dollar you save today is a little more peace of mind for tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on personal finance, investing, and smart money habits. Now I'd love to hear from you. How many months of emergency savings do you currently have? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.